welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Wiggins wig review. They sent me over their 24-inch loose deep wave 13x4 HD lace front wig. I ain't even gonna hold you. Right when I saw this wig and pulled it out the package and everything, I was like, okay, yeah, we got us one, honey. The lace is perfect. The knots came pre-bleached. The hair is beautiful. The texture is so beautiful. The hair is soft, y'all. The hair is super soft and manageable. You know how you get wigs sometimes and the hair be all crunchy? No, this wasn't it. Let me give y'all a little close up on the lace and the knots. Do y'all see those knots? They're literally invisible, honey. So let's get into it. We about to put this wig on. I will be doing a glueless install this time. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to show y'all what came in the pack, though. They sent me a silk bag that came in the packaging. They sent me 2 HD wig caps. They sent me a wig band, of course, with their name on it. They sent me some lashes, and they sent me an edge brush. I love a good edge brush, honey. Let's get into it. I already got my cap on. I already put the makeup on the cap. And we're going to go ahead and throw this wig on, y'all. Like, look at it. I really could have wore this like just like this. But, you know, I love me a secure, protected wig install. So, I'm going to show y'all how I did this glueless wig install. So, first, I'm just going to cut the ear tabs from behind my ear before I start laying it down, y'all. This is the smartest thing to do. So make sure you cut your tabs before you start to try to lay your lace down, okay? So I did that on both sides, and you see how the lace just lays down perfectly when you cut those ear tabs? Since his wig is glueless, I did lay my lace down with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I will show you that product shortly. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this lace on, lay this lace down, and get it secure on my head. So we're going to go in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Better get you some. This is the best glueless adhesive on the market right now. I only did one layer because I did not want to keep this wig on for long. I just wanted to keep it on for about like 2-3 days. After I apply the liquid gold, I'm just going to go in with my finger and smooth it out a little bit. And then after that, I'm just going to lay my lace down. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay that lace down and get ready for this melt, y'all. After I lay one side down, I'm just going to take my comb and press the lace into the product so the lace can stick. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to lay the lace down and take my comb and press the lace into the product. Now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the lace into the product so that it can stick and hold and not go anywhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this hair up in a ponytail, and I'm just going to take my Even Lace Adhesive Spray right here, the red can, yes ma'am, and I'm going to go ahead and spray around my hairline on top of the lace. Now, after you spray your lace, you just want to go ahead and take your comb and smooth that right on in. And after that, you're going to take your wig band and put your wig band on top of your lace. You can then blow dry or sit under the dryer. I went ahead and sat under the dryer, but now I'm back and I'm just going to take my wig band off. And y'all, look at the lace. It's beautiful. And we're gonna go ahead and start cutting this excess lace off. And I want y'all to just watch the melt, honey. Watch how this lace melts into my skin. Mind you, I didn't bleach these knots, nor did I pluck any hair on this lace, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear tabs all the way off. Y'all, it's so easy when you cut that lace first before you start like laying everything down. It's so much easier that way. Now you see that white cast around the front of the hairline? I'm just gonna take my makeup brush and put some makeup right on top of there, okay? So that line can go away. And then I'm also gonna go back in with my liquid gold and put a little bit of that on my hairline, y'all. I want y'all to look and see how this lace disappear after I use this liquid gold. Like, it's so crazy. The lace is definitely lacing, okay? After I put that liquid gold on there, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it in. And I love this lace. I love the fact that it's so thin and it literally melts into my skin. And with these knots being like invisible, like it makes it look 10 times better. Like I don't even have to use baby hair or have baby hair, but I love baby hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some baby hair, y'all. With the wig coming pre-plucked, it was so easy for me to do this baby hair. I didn't really have to do too much. All I had to do was pull a little bit of hair out, as you can see. But y'all, these pre-plucked wigs are the best, literally. After I get my baby hair down and situated and I got it kind of laying down, going the direction that I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair up and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my baby hair and get ready to curl it and form it the way that I want it. So each and every tutorial, I go over these baby hairs with y'all. But you're just going to take a small flat iron and curl your baby hair. You can curl them upwards, downwards, however you would like. And then you will take an edge brush and start forming your baby hair. Since this wig is glueless, I'm just going to go ahead and with some Nairobi foam. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on my hand. And I'm just going to go in with my edge brush and start forming my baby hair. Now I'm going to put my wig band on, and I am just going to sit under the dryer one more time. And I'm back. Take my wig band off, and I'm going to use some of this Style Factor Edge Booster wax stick, and I'm just going to lay the hairs down with the wax stick and go in with my hot comb and lay this hair flat. The hair is so beautiful, so shiny. It was so easy to work with. Like, I didn't really need to use too much product on this hair. All I did was use a little bit of my wax stick, and it laid down perfectly. Do y'all see the hairline on this lace, though? Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Now, I'm going to go in with a little bit of water just to, you know, spray. I like big hair, so I just went in with a little bit of water on the, like, top part of the hair just to give it a more, like, flatter look, I would say. And yeah, y'all, what is it giving? Let me pull the hair back so y'all could see this melt. The baby hair is on fleek. The melt, the lace, everything is just perfect. Do y'all see this? All right, guys, I am out of here. Make sure you shop with Wiggins. Mwah. See you on the next video.